Hello, my name is Tay Moss. I am the head of the CHURCHx project on behalf of TUCC. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find courses, events, and programs on CHURCHx and to sign up for them. So to begin, we will just simply go to the CHURCHx website, and there you go. And in this example, I'm starting with a fresh account. So this assumes you don't even have an account yet. So you can't even log in because you don't have one. So the first thing that you might notice is that you can browse the full catalog with this button down here or with the catalog button right here. Either one of them takes you to the same place, which is our kind of top level catalog, which you can search for something, of course, but you can also just go through these categories. You'll see some of these are actually folders. So like this one, for example, takes you to another folder with more programs in it. In the case of like United Learning, you see there's actually subcatalogs as well. So in this example, we'll use one of the boundary courses. So if I just go to that, I don't have to click on view. I can just click on the title and get this screen either way. Anyway, so let's find a course that we want to join. How about this Intro to Boundaries course? If I just hover my mouse over it, you see I get this little pop-up box that gives me some additional information. If I hit more information, it will take me to a screen with even more data about that program. I'm going to make this look a little bit more like what you're going to see, most of you. There you go. With even more information about the program, including a summary of what's included. So this one has 4.5 live hours and half an hour of work to be done on one's own. We have the date information in here, the languages being offered in, and so forth. If I hit the Buy Now button, the next thing I'll see is a request to create a login. So I don't have an account in our imagination, so I'm going to create a new account. And it's going to ask me for a username. The username needs to be lowercase, and it needs to be unique, and it needs to not have any spaces or special characters. So no special characters will be my username. The password, I'm going to use one of my passwords I use all the time, but it needs to have at least one uppercase, one lowercase, and a special character, such as an asterisk or a dash. Of course, we need an email address, so I'm going to use the email address for the test case that I set up. A first name, I'll use my name. Okay, and then these additional information here is all optional. You don't have to put anything in here. If you do put information in here, it can help us later find you if we need to find you in the account, or if somebody's trying to see like what time zone people are in that have joined a course, things like that. I am not a robot. Oops, it's going to ask me to verify. This is anti-spam. Great. Create a new account. Okay, so it says an email has been sent. So I'm going to go back here. Okay, so let me check. Okay, yep. If I look here in my inbox, there is this here from bounces, blah, 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 subject, account information. Okay, so this is the important one right here. If your email program does not make this a link already, you can just copy and paste into the browser. And then when you hit return, it'll say thank you. And now you're logged in. And it takes you back to the page where you were looking at in the catalog before. Okay, no problem. So this is the checkout page. If you've already logged in, you would have gone straight to this. You wouldn't have had to go through creating a new account. The next thing you'll notice is there is this opportunity to apply vouchers. So in this case, I create a demo voucher, demo 50. And when I hit apply voucher, you see it takes a 50% off and it gives me the new price. Okay. If there are other checkout options, they will appear in here as well. For example, some programs have groups that meet, and you might need to select the group that you want to join before you check out. That way you can know whether you're available or not on the day that the group that you want to be a part of is meeting before you even join the course. Another form that you can have might just be asking for additional information, like what your Church Hub email address is, if we need to make sure that your sexual misconduct prevention training gets logged, or if it's an in-person event, if you have any allergies, that kind of thing. Anyway, there might be some additional things on this checkout page required, but in any case, when you're finished, you hit Buy Now, and then it takes you to the Stripe thing to process the payment. So I'm going to use a credit card that I've got on file here. So I've put in my credit card data, which I've obviously hidden here, and then I just hit pay, and it's going to process it for a second. Once the payment has successfully processed, you'll be taken straight into your program. You'll also receive an order fulfillment email, which is a receipt that has the transaction amount, the transaction code, in case we need to track that down for a refund or any other purpose. And I might have additional information, probably like a link back to this course in case you've forgotten how to access it, and other stuff. So that is how you sign up for courses. If you're wondering how to access them, besides the email that we would have gotten, if you just log back into CHURCHx, if we go back to the home here, if you just log in, like this would say login if I wasn't logged in, and then you just click on your dashboard and skip the tour. And if you go down here where it says course overview, this is where you have any courses that you currently are belonging to, you're enrolled in, or events or programs. Another thing I'll notice here is that you can actually change this view. Like right now, this is the card view. You could go to a list view. If you have a lot of events and things you're a part of, that might be more convenient for you. But the default is this kind of card view. You can also search it. There's a little search box here if you're looking for something in particular from the courses and programs you belong to. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or any other kind of issues, please do reach out to me, and I'm happy to help you. Thank you very much.